You don't realize it, but you cast a spell every time you speak. Yes, your words are magic. They shape your energy. They shape how people see you. And most importantly, they shape how you feel. Let's take a simple example. Someone asks you, "How are you?" And you say, "Ugh, tired. Same old." Or worse, "Don't ask." These may seem like small replies, but they create a huge impact on your day. Because every time you say them, you're not just speaking, you're shaping your mood, your energy, and your mindset for the entire day. Let me explain. When you say, "Don't ask," or "I'm surviving," you feel heavy, low, unmotivated, and the people around you, they feel it too. Even saying something like, "I'm okay," or "could be worse," is just average. There's no spark, no energy, no power in those words. But now, let's flip the script. Imagine saying this instead. "I'm feeling fantastic, terrific, better than ever." Even if you don't fully feel that way yet, say it anyway, because your words have power. When you say great, your body shifts. You stand taller, you smile more, you feel more alive. And guess what? People around you will feel it too. They'll respond better. They'll treat you with more positivity. And soon, you actually start to feel great. Not because life changed, but because you changed how you speak. It's not pretending. It's not lying. It's programming your mind with the right signals. So try this. Next time someone asks, "How are you?" say, "Amazing." Say, "I'm doing great, thanks." Say it with energy. Say it like you mean it, and watch what happens. You'll attract better conversations, better moods, and better days. Remember this. Your attitude doesn't start with what happens around you. It starts with your words. Speak with hope. Speak with energy. Speak like your future depends on it, because it does. So the next time someone asks, "How are you?" smile and say it loud, "I'm doing fantastic." Like this video. Share it with someone who needs this reminder. And don't forget to subscribe for more positivity every week. Your words shape your world. Choose them wisely.